Okay, let's see. This is the 4-arc. Yeah, this doesn't light really too much better than any of the others, really, but, you know, I mean, it's okay. I wanted to light some rum on fire, but we had a party, and, well, it's gone. But these lighters are really cool for lighting drinks, rum and that sort of thing. So they're really a good idea, especially for bars and things like that, you know, but even at home. But, you know, I don't know too much about this particular one. I mean, it seems to be just like all the rest of them. So jury's still out on it. But, you know, I may do a upsweep on this and light something else for you and show you. But right now, I mean, it did light the candle. Candle had already been lit just a few minutes before. So it had a lot of carbon on it. A lot of times they don't want to light when they have a lot of carbon on them, but this did. So, you know, yeah, the price is awesome on this. So, yeah, I'd recommend it at this point in time. So, if you want a good lighter, the color's cool. It's pretty. What do you want? Yeah, I'd definitely get this again.
Here is the lighter. I got it in violet. It's kind of large. Let me try to show you, like, in comparison to my hand. So, it's a fairly long lighter. It has a safety right here. You have to push it up to activate it. So, you push it up and it does a couple things. It shows you how charged it is. The prongs also come up. It's kind of hard to push with one hand in that position. Okay, so there's the prongs. You can see them. And then you push the button, and there it is. It does make a hissing noise. You can hear it. The dogs and the cat don't like the noise at all. I don't think it hurts their ears. I think it scares them. The only issue I have with this is the battery doesn't last that long, and as the battery decreases, it gets less effective. It takes longer to light things, because it does take a couple extra seconds to light things. But overall, I really like it, and I'm glad I bought it.
I like to burn my candles for a long time until it's at the bottom. If I use a match, especially these smaller candles, and these burn really fast, there's a pretty good chance I'm gonna burn myself. Enter this product. This thing is amazing. You can charge it with a USB. It has this little safety lock so that the button cannot be pushed. If you were to throw it in a drawer and say like something pushed down on the button, it would light your house on fire. This is much safer, so I really like that feature. Also, it's incredibly long. This is one of these wood wicks, and it hasn't been lit for a very long time. Well, it's gonna take a little longer, but this is very, very long. So I can definitely go all the way in and not worry about burning myself. 10 out of 10.